Hey everyone, today's ACT sample problem is on one of my favorite topics. It's a trig problem. All right, so our question reads, in right triangle XYZ, angle Y is a right angle and tangent of X equals 3/4. What is the value of sine of X? And we have 5 answer choices, so let's get into it. So remember to write down, underline, circle, star, any valuable information that will be useful in answering the question. So this is a right triangle, which I have drawn for you here. And we are told that angle Y is our right angle. And that means that we can place X and Z on the other vertices. Okay. And the tangent of X is 3/4. So just to remember, tangent is opposite over adjacent. And I have the hint for you. Remember your acronym for your trig ratio, SOHCAHTOA. So opposite over adjacent is tangent. So that means the side that's opposite, if you want to draw an arrow so you know that side is opposite, it's across, is going to be 3. The side adjacent next to is 4. Okay, so for those of you who know your special right triangles, you will know what the hypotenuse is. But if you don't, rest assured, we have Pythagorean theorem to help us. So a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So if you're looking for c, or your hypotenuse, we can rearrange the theorem as such. So c squared equals a squared plus b squared. We take the square root of both sides. So c is equal to the square root of a squared plus b squared. All right, so we can plug in our values. So 4 squared plus 3 squared, that's going to give us 16 plus 9, a sum of 25, and the square root of 25 is 5. So our hypotenuse is 5. Now, the answer, or rather the question, is what is the value of sine of X? So again, refer to your acronym. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse. Okay, so the sine of X, the side opposite is 3, and we discovered that our hypotenuse is 5. So 3/5, which is option F. So remember, this is a special right triangle. It's called our 3, 4, 5 right triangle. So if you remember this, you do not have to utilize Pythagorean theorem. But if you don't, you can utilize the theorem. All right, so you have several options. But remember, for the ACT, you want to maximize your time. So take the time now to remember your trig ratios, your special right triangles, and Pythagorean theorem, all right, because it will not be provided for you on the test. It's up to you to study and prepare now. So please feel free to comment with any questions or feedback, and I look forward to helping you all with the next problem. So tune in next time. You all have an awesome week. Take care. See you soon.